Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on notifications for social channel messages on Instagram Web using your PC, especially with the latest update where things have slightly changed. If you manage multiple conversations or follow broadcast channels, enabling these notifications can help you stay updated without constantly checking your inbox. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to Instagram Web. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control different aspects of your Instagram experience. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section is where you manage all the alerts you receive from Instagram. Once you're in, look for push notifications and click on it. Now scroll through the list of notification categories until you find social channel messages. This is the option that controls alerts from channels you follow or are part of. Under social channel messages, you'll see different options. Simply select on to make sure you receive notifications whenever there's a new message or update from those channels.